even start? I want to know what look are we going for today? Do you even know?
I don't know.
Wait, okay, so today's the bridal?
The bridal shower.
The bridal shower, okay, perfect. So are we still keeping the same colors, or you just want to kind of just wing it today? What are you thinking? Or you just let me take over?
Yeah.
Just let me do my magic? All right, that's what I like to hear. Okay, so I just moisturized her face, so now I'm just going in with some setting powder to matte out her eyebrows so that it's easier to apply some eyebrow filler. And the color I'm using is a nice espresso brown by NYX. I really love this eyebrow pomade. It just goes on so creamy and smoothly, and it's so easy to blend out. So here I'm using a mixture of Tarte's Deep Sand Concealer mixed with a little bit of LA Girl's Toffee Concealer, just to help to mute out that eye area as well as clean up the brows as well. So here you saw that I used a little bit of that Maybelline Fit Me foundation as my base, and you can tell here that I did not I did not matte out, excuse me, the eyelid, because I kind of wanted it to stay a little bit moist, if that makes sense, so that I can go ahead and use the foundation as a base for my eyeshadows, if that makes sense. This is not a really dramatic look. We're going really simple yet glam, and so yeah, less is more in this case. So here I am going in with a really nice warm sort of brown palette from Juvia's Place. I really love this palette. I find myself gravitating towards this palette a lot because it just has those perfect transition colors. It has the perfect golds, the perfect silver. So between this one and the Bretman Rock palette that you'll see, those are the only two palettes that you'll see me using to contour, to highlight, all of that. She really wanted a nice, soft, gold, you know, kind of va-va-voom look, and that's what I'm going here with, and I'm going to use some of that dark brown to deepen up the crease just a little. Remember, this is a soft glam look, so everything doesn't need to be as dramatic as usual, because this is just the amount of pop that she needs. So using that same palette, I'm also taking that black, and I am very lightly just tapping and blending at the same time, just trying to create that deeper outer V, just to add a little more definition to this eye look. As you can tell, it's perfect. It's not too cut crease, it's not too much. This is perfect for mature skin. Going on with that same palette, as you can see that nice orange sticking out of the palette, I'm using that to not only to warm up the crease a little bit, but I'm going to apply a little bit of that shimmer right in the upper brow bone area as well. Also here, I'm just using a Makeup Forever mattifying primer to set the face. Now I'm going in with a little bit of black eyeshadow, as you can see, trying to keep it still simple like I said, so liner would have been a little bit too dramatic for her, so I went in with some black eyeshadow instead. So here I am using a blend of Maybelline's Fit Me collection, and I believe I'm using a little bit of spicy brown, and I'm mixing it with one of those lovely darker shades. I just cannot remember the number or the name at this point, but as you can see, I mixed it and I blended it to get this perfect shade for her skin type. And as you can tell, her spirit, her laugh is just so contagious. We had a really great time, and you can see here we're just talking about a lot of grown stuff, so it was just really great client of mine. So on to my favorite part, which is highlighting and contouring. I'm going in with that same sort of blend of toffee and mixed with a little bit of that tart deep sand color, and it gave me this really gorgeous highlight color for her. So I'm just going to accentuate all of her highest, highlight points. We should all know this step by now, but I'm just going to highlight those areas and blend it out very well. Oh my gosh, you guys, I seriously love this setting powder. This is also from the Maybelline Fit Me collection. I believe they only have about 3 colors, and this is the deepest color, and I'm so glad that I found this setting powder, because not only isn't it super bright like a banana powder or a translucent, it just has that perfect warmthness to it that is perfect and can pair with any skin color. Alright, moving on to contour. Again, I'm staying in that same Juvia's Place palette because it just has this really beautiful chocolate brown shade in there that is just perfect for contouring her skin color, and also a little bit of that orange to act as a blush just to sort of warm up the look even more. I am actually using that same beautiful gold that I used on her eyelids. I'm now using that same color to highlight the highest points of her face, so her cheekbones, her nose area, a little bit above her lip, her upper lip. And guys, you will just see this little bit of shimmer really brought this look together. So you can never go wrong with a nice chocolate brown lip liner. So I really think that a brown lip liner goes good with any skin color. It goes good with any lip color, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm just pairing it with a nice nude pink lipstick from MAC and sort of blending it together to get that ombre seamless lip color look. I love the setting spray so much, the Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray. I love it. I have tons of bottles of those already, and I'm using it to set her face so that I can then add her inner tear duct highlight, and then I'm going to line her bottom lash line with a nice chocolate brown as well. Again, I don't want to use anything too harsh like a black eyeliner or anything like that. So a nice dark brown and a little mascara is going to complete this look, guys.
Oh my God, look at that.
Beauty. Isn't that something? Can you get a good look?
Oh, she about to take it. Oh, she's staying home today.
Shit, I'm out. Where your friends at?
You like it? Can
Yes.
you see the glow? Oh my goodness.
That is
Can you get
so
into this camera? Can you get into my camera? Go to start the camera. There you go. Gonna pan over side to side.
Oh,
I know that's right. You gotta send me some pictures too.